Faith channel, and today we're going to have a different topic to talk about, that is literature. Literature, we have examples like poetry, novels, short stories, all that. But today we're going to focus most on poetry. I'm joined with my friends here, that is Felix, Winnie, and Rode. So join us as we continue to unveil this literature thing. Literature is fun, literature is the society today. Welcome to this channel.
Yes, I've got a question for you. So I'm very soon you are going to be our teacher. So I have observed, why is it that students fail in this poetry thing? Yeah, one of the greatest cause of failure in poetry is that first there is a notion that students have that poems are hard, especially the moment that the lines in the poems are not just necessarily that there are some hidden, uh, the lines have hidden meanings. That is the cause. But I believe that now when we introduce much of poems in Kenya, that students are going to maybe get to understand the history of the poems, the history of the poets, and maybe a smooth environment to be created for those students to understand that poems are not necessarily hard, but it is just a mentality. Well, I've got a point from you now that the notion that poems are hard. Do you think it's only a notion? Uh, Probably it is not only the notion, but that is the main thing. That students just tell that the poems are hard, but I believe there is something else. Yeah. So I also have been thinking about something. Those poems, and for me, I've been in class where I learned literature, so I understand for you to be able to analyze a poem very well, you ought to know the setting. Yeah. You ought to know where the poet comes from, where they wrote the poem from. I think these poems that we really do in the examinations, students are not aware of the history of the poet, yeah, and where they really come. So it is not only a notion that poems are hard, but they really are, because it is rare to find poems from them. And if they are, we do not know the history of these poets. And what might be the greatest problem? Why are we teaching our students maybe poems from other parts of the world? Well, I can say something. Literature is meant to appreciate the culture of others as well as that of ours. So, according to me, I think we need some change. We need some change on that. We have appreciated the culture of others for quite some time. So, it is time we come back home and try to look how to try and make sure that we've improved the situation at all. So, why will you be teaching? Why will you bring a poem to students? A poem from all the way from South Africa, from Mozambique, and your students are not aware of what really happened in Mozambique. Wow. All that. Right now, many people do not learn this. They don't want to know. They don't know what it is that happened long ago. So we want to know. We want to introduce contemporary poetry. Poetry in the digital society that is existing right now, where everybody is aware of what is happening there, what is happening there, what is happening there. And contemporary poets who now will bring poems touching on what is it that is happening in the contemporary society. What's your view on that? Yeah, sure. I believe that the contemporary poem that are supposed to be introduced in a curriculum is much important, because we've seen a chronology of events even in our country, whereby there are things that have been happening that needs to be improved about, that we can even do some great poems that we may take them to our students for examination. For example, the recent unrest in the country about the revolution of a generation, this generation called the
Personally, it's said I had poetry the first time. So I believe that such things need to be incorporated in our curriculum. The events that happen, even the normal things that people do, the way they talk, the way we do our thing, that is poetry. Yeah.
So according to me, I see, it might look like ordinary poetry, yes, from the beginning. But if you remove that, it might take us to places we've not imagined. Poetry and literature at heart is used to correct the society where it is that we are going wrong. And I think so we introduce contemporary poetry, we'll be able to correct these wrongs that have been released in the society and are unable to be controlled. Right now, it is a mistake to confront someone. Just wake up and protest someone. You see, it is wrong to do this. You see, and then we'll be advocating for freedom, whereby when you speak of something happening in Israel, it won't be a crime. That day you saw about the Malala thing and to the cows. This guy had a thinker. It was what was it? Was it a poem or something?
It was a play.
It was a play. So we want to ensure that what happens to him after that play was out is more. I want to pick a scenario whereby the world came at large, awakening is there. There is awareness and there is freedom.
Hi guys, I'm Winfred and I'll be giving you the definition of poetry. And poetry can be defined as a form of literary expression that uses imagery, rhythm, metaphor, and language in an artistic way. And unlike our day-to-day writing, poetry relies on line breaks and settings to convey important information.
Enjoyed the content. Yeah, I would like to know your views about our content. So kindly remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching.